Hi and welcome to Meeting Insights Training Academy. This tutorial will show you how to publish your meeting recordings. After you publish your meeting recording, all its participants can view it in their Meeting Insights account. You can publish only meeting recordings that you organized. In other words, only the ones where you are the owner. The owner of each meeting recording in the list view is indicated in the owner column. The duration column indicates whether or not you have published your meeting recording. Meeting recordings that you have not published are displayed with a purple eye icon. Meeting recordings that you have published are displayed with their duration time. So let's go ahead and publish a meeting recording. Click the meeting recording to open the player page. If you wish to publish the meeting recording without the video so that participants can only view the meeting recap, click the lock icon on the video. Now let's publish the meeting recording by clicking the Publish button.